Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to know who visits my Instagram profile. So if you want to know about who visits your Instagram profile, so if you want to know about every person who regularly visits your Instagram profile, so how you can do that. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply click on three lines here. And after clicking on three lines, you have to make sure that you have simply converted your account to professional account. And after clicking on professional account, you will be able, so here you can simply click on account type and tools. So here you have to simply first of all switch your account to professional account, and after switching your account to professional account, you can simply see the insights of your Instagram profile. But there is a restriction that you can simply only see the number of visitors who visit your Instagram profile, but you will not be shown who visits your Instagram profile. So if you want to check who visits your Instagram profile, what you have to do, you have simply upload a story on Instagram, so that anyone who sees your Instagram story will be the Instagram viewer sometime. So in this way you can simply check who visits your Instagram profile regularly. Moreover, there is also another method, which is that you have to simply click on three lines here, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of download. Here you can simply search for downloading. So here you can simply download your data, so it will provide you all kind of data related to your accounts, and here you can simply search for that type of data which allows you to see who visits your Instagram profile. So in this way you can simply check, but there are also many apps which allow you to see your Instagram profile visitors, but because these kinds of apps are fake, so you have to make sure that before using that they are original. So if you want to check the Instagram profile visitor, there is the only method that Instagram provides, that only provide the number of visitor which is visits your Instagram profile through professional account. Otherwise there is no other method which tells you who visits your Instagram profile. So hope you have liked this video and get more videos like this. You can subscribe our channel.